sakyan. So,
So, ayan. Ngayon lang, sabi ko kay Daddy, English challenge only tayo.
Mga tao na naghihadhad at alipong
Sabi niya,
dapat hindi
naku.
lipunin na amoy 4 to 6 hours.
Sabi ko naman, bakit? Teacher ka naman. Kahit na daw.
Ganda eh.
So, ano, Daddy? Umpisa na natin? Ha?
Ganda kape.
How are you? How are you nga?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Where have you been? Manila? What did you do in Manila? I've been to?
Billy.
Billy what?
Billy, wife of Bill. Nina, just prepare my coffee first.
You want coffee?
Yes.
Okay. English only, So, ayun, magtimpla daw muna ng kape kaya hindi siya makapag-English pag walang kape. So, ayan na ang coffee ng Daddy. So, English only challenge.
Sino po si Gina doon?
Magpapatuloy ang ating English only challenge kay natimpla naman siya ng kape. So, Daddy, your coffee is already done.
Oh, tama ako.
Taste your coffee first.
Finish already.
No, not yet.
No more English.
What are you eating, Daddy?
It's a bread.
Bread?
Oh, wheat bread.
With bread? Wow. How about the, what you call that, filling? Filling? Peanut butter? The inside of the two bread?
Ah, yes. Hold on.
Hold on. Oh, my tummy.
Hold on. This one is peanut butter. Made by
Robinson. Okay, just taste it. If taste good.
So delicious.
Really? How about your coffee? Where's your coffee?
May black coffee.
Oh,
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
You see? Starbucks.
Yeah, Starbucks mug.
Very, black. Very sour. Ay. Not sour. What pait?
Oh, 1 point. You speak already Tagalog. Pait is bitter. Yeah.
It's like ampalaya.
What is the English of ampalaya? What? You don't know?
Kumbi nga lang.
Cucumber. The English of ampalaya is bitter gourd. Now you know.
Bitter gourd.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah. And the English of okra is lady finger.
Why? Because it's like a finger.
Finger, yeah. Finger of a lady. That's why it's called lady finger.
It's very, it's called,
Oh, be careful of your... Maybe you will say something that it's not appropriate. So, the snack time is already 5:30. Oh,
Okay.
5:30 in the afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah. So, tomorrow you have work?
Yes.
What time you will go to your work?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? 8 o'clock, you're still sleeping.
No, yung...
Say bye-bye first to our vlog, Daddy.
No? Hi, bye-bye to everyone. See you next time. Hold on.